Well, hello, welcome back to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty. I wanted to share some bad news that I heard. I heard that Henri Bendel was closing all of their 23 stores. I didn't shop there all the time, but I kid you not, when I was in New York, it would just be a staple for me to go into the store and just buy something. And I'm so devastated that so many stores are closing. Really, they're closing all of them. And you know, the retail industry is kind of sad right now. I'm feeling really, my heart is broken for them because that's what I love to do. I love to shop. I love to try new products. I love to support different brands. But unfortunately, they're going out, and I found that about a week ago. And so there's one near, not too far, about 20 minutes from where I live. And I said, okay, well, let me go and try and offer my support to the company before they actually close down. So I did get out and I was able to go, and I got a bag. I was like, oh no, this may be the last bag I'm able to get. But the rep told me that they're not sure exactly when the final closure will be, but they'll probably be open until January, or at least online until January. So I'm trying to stock up on as much as I can, as much as I can afford. They're a little pricey, but the quality is there, and I honestly believe it's worth it. So my hat's off to the company. I'm so sorry. I feel bad for all the salespeople, and I hope you're able to find a new place. So I'll share with you some of the things that I bought. Take this off here. They do so well in packaging. So this here is actually a pair of sunglasses that I bought. I don't buy a lot of sunglasses, unfortunately, because where I live right now, I don't need a whole lot. We don't get a lot of sun here, but I thought if I don't get these now, I won't be able to find them anywhere. Okay, these are phenomenal. I love these. I said, okay, let me try them on. Oh, hello. Hello. I was like, ladies, if you get a chance, go over to one, get your stuff, do what you got to do. And I thought, and they were actually giving a 20% discount on one of your purchases. So I did get the glasses. I told the guy, I said, well, why don't you just let me order them online? And then I said, nah, because I'll get home and be pissed off that I didn't go ahead and get them. So this here, you'll be seeing me in these, ladies, and let me know what you think. And then I also got, they have just the cutest packaging. It's just so beautiful. And so I decided, okay, I'm going to be doing some traveling soon. And all of their leather is just phenomenal. This is a beautiful purple passport holder. Is this elegant or what? I'm like, customs, let me through, bitch. Okay. So I love this. I can't wait to try it. I had one from BCBG, which I loved. I've had it for about 10 years. But I think it's now time to replace my beautiful purple one. So I'm looking forward to that. I also, the sales rep, he convinced me they have their line of candles. And if you don't know by now, ladies, I love candles. So I am a candle addict. So the two I got, I picked up gardenia, and okay, let me just take a moment here. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. They're so vibrant and beautiful, and it can go on your desk at work. You can travel with it, the bathroom, the bedroom, it's all over. This here, it says it's for travel. A lot of hotels, they don't really like you leaving candles on, so I traveled once with a candle, and I'm like, no, they call up the fire department. So I'm like, that's okay. So this one, I got the gardenia. And then the sales rep, he said his favorite was vanilla bean. And I could see why. This shit is phenomenal. It really is. It's so vibrant. And I love vanilla bean. And I love lavender, and I didn't get the lavender. I just got two. It was two for, I think, $25. That was a great price. And I think this was it. Last but not least, I did get a bag. I was like, okay, I got to get something that I'll be able to hang on to for the rest of my life from this company. Is this gorgeous or what? It's the perfect size. It does come with the strap, and the salesperson, he told me, he says, oh, well, when you get tired of this, you could always just take this off. This pops off. And you could put on a different color wallet. And it's a totally new purse at that point. I was like, okay, buddy. But it's too bad they may not be around. It was a little pricey, but look at the interior. It's beautiful. Beautiful. I can't wait to wear it. I have a perfect outfit by Carolina Herrera that I'm going to wear with the red dress that I recently purchased. So, you know, if you get an opportunity, please go and support them. I feel really bad. They just have great products, and it's with such a quality company. And I hate using the word was, but it is what it is, and they're going to have to close up. So I would say, ladies and gents, make sure you support them in their last months of being in business. And I don't know, they'll go down in history because I'll be using this for the next 20 years as my passport cover. And people will know when I open it up who was the designer. So thank you for watching, and please, if you like the video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. And I ask that you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Yeah, those are the three. And if you have any questions, please leave me a comment and let me know, if you could, what you've purchased, if you get an opportunity to go to one, if it's close by. And you can order online. I received an email after I got home from the store, and it was a 15% off discount. So I'm going to go online and maybe look at a couple more things just to kind of help the company out, because I really feel bad about this. It was just a staple in New York. Its signature location, I think it was in the Village somewhere, and I wish them the best. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.